Hello and welcome to Toogit, a one-stop solution for businesses and freelancers to collaborate and get work done flexibly and securely. Let's understand how to purchase freelance service using Toogit. On the home page, click on Services to go to Services section. Enter the main skill that you're looking for example, Android app development, and click the search button. You will be taken to a page where all the freelance services are listed along with their detailed skills and charges. You can click on More Details option and all the required details pertaining to the freelance service are shown to you. You can click on the Contact Seller button to seek any clarifications from Freelancer before placing an order. Edit the message as per your choice to send an email to the freelancer. If you had a discussion with Freelancer and would like to order the service, click on the Buy Service button. The details of the fees to be paid are shown on the page. Use the option for payment as appropriate. Agree on the Toogit user agreement and click on the Make Payment button. Please note that when you are purchasing a service, you need to deposit the cost of the service. This amount remains with Toogit Safe Deposit and is released to the freelancer on successful completion of the order, or it's returned back to you in case of cancellation of the service or dispute. Thank you for your time. Do visit toogit.com to understand how Toogit can help businesses and freelancers to collaborate in an online marketplace.